Here I have HONOR X7A, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, you just have to press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this. And after that, screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down at the same time. And that's how it's done. After that, you can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album. And here they are. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots, or perform any other action from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.